My name is Dr. Vishakha Karikar and I'm a surgeon here working at Zen Hospital. I'm going to speak to you today about what are known as hernias. In gentlemen, the most common form of hernias are inguinal or groin hernias, as opposed to ladies where the most common hernias are ventral or umbilical hernias. So now what exactly are hernias? Anytime there is a defect or a hole in the muscle of the abdominal wall, probably a part of the intestine or the fat covering the intestine tends to jut out of these holes. Basically, this is what is a hernia. What are the causes of hernia? So usually, if there is a previous surgery that has been done, that can cause something called as an incisional hernia. Also, in men, inguinal hernias can be developed as a result of some congenital anomalies or a primary groin hernia without any surgeries. If you notice any abnormal swelling in your inguinal region or on the hole in your abdomen, please contact your doctor at the earliest. The better you address these hernias, the better it is. As a result, they may form some irreducibility, pain, vomiting, abdominal distension. So if you have picked up a swelling which completely goes down inside either on lying down and comes back again on standing, most likely you have a hernia that is ongoing in your abdomen. Before it gets too late, address the issue, as we now can do a hernia repair in a minimally invasive method, either by a laparoscopy or a robotic surgery. If it gets too late, there may be a chance that these would have to be dealt with an emergency situation, which can land up being an open surgery or a surgery with multiple stitches. If you know anyone with these or such related problems, or if you are suffering from a hernia issue, please contact your surgeon at the earliest. Thank you.